looking at?
Gotcha.
Got two. Got three. One moving forward, 12 o'clock. One moving far right. Hey, we gotta take somebody out on the far right, guys. Two moving far right. Got one. One moving far left.
Right behind you, Kenny.
Gotcha.
Put it straight on.
You see him, AJ?
Not like that. I mean, oh god.
Hit.
Upside down, remember?
Yeah, I saw him.
man.
He's up. Hey, Nelson, far left. He's in a wooden camel. Yeah. See?
One right by
Yep.
plus steel rifle sticking out.
Got one. Got one. Hey AJ, what's your location? Where you at? I can't hear you.
Can't hear me?
What do you say? What's your location?
All right.
Got one.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. No, I hear you, AJ. Eric, you got your comm on or no?
No? That fucking guy who was shooting from the ridge right there
Yeah.
got his gun a couple of times. I think he
Oh,
just
yeah?
doesn't know the rules.
It's okay. Target practice.
It was a fucking rental.
Oh, was it? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna ask him if I hit his gun because I'm pretty sure I did.
Oh, you did? Okay. I got you, buddy.
I got
Hey, did I hit your gun at all? When I was shooting?
Inside?
I didn't feel anything until I raised my hand.
Hey,
Hit me in the
someone.
head.
No, like if a BB hits his gun.
Oh, I didn't hear it. Where were you at? Here? Is that you, hiding back there? Yeah, I just feel it shakes and there's no BB. Yeah. Then they shoot and it freezes. There's definitely more BB coming out. We just have to see what it is.
What up?
I don't know if you heard. I don't know what the fuck was going on with my mic,
Huh?
but I was hard right over there.
No, I heard it. I wasn't turning it up all the way up, so I couldn't hear you. I was trying to see your location to see where the enemy is at. I was taking care of the left.
I got out like 6 guys. One guy swore at me because I shot him in the foot.
Oh, right.
And well, that's out.
You still have a lot?
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh, you just want to load it up? Yeah.
Alex, here's what fixes the gun. Put it in.
Hey, Jeff, have you shot the RPG yet? No? Okay. I want to record that on my video. There's a lot of guys on the left.
Behind that bush. Come on, you're out. Call it. Oh, get sorry.
Got one.
There's another one pushing up. Right side, so.
All black.
Far left, AJ. Behind that little standing tomb. Yeah.
Another one coming 10, 11.
Got two. That guy's not calling.
You done shooting?
No, he's shooting. Okay, now he's calling.
I hit him.
Got one.
Aren't you a DMR?
Yeah.
You're not
This-
supposed to be this close.
It's 50 feet. They keep on running it to me. One on the far right. The same guy that said the guy with the camel.
No top miking.
Give me some cover. I'm gonna run over to the section over.
Okay.
Right next to you. Cover, cover, cover.
I got you. Hey, what's the shooting?
Havoc transmitting to NC up over in the area. Anybody else? Over. AJ, over. Let's see here, Havoc.
Yeah, I know I got him. He's out. Got him.
Kenny, I don't know if you can spot them or where you are, but there's two coming hard left.
Copy that.
Havoc transmitting into blind. I'm on site. Who's here? AJ and Kenny is here. Havoc, can you read me or no? Havoc here, I got you. Is that AJ here? Yeah, it's AJ. Police comms wise, it's me, Kenny, and Chaos.
One moving far left.
Alright, cool. Just curious, is lunch next or is that after one more? I think it's after one more, if I'm not wrong. If anybody happens to be near the ref, somebody mind asking?
This is only the first game.
It's the first game, Havoc, so to be honest, it could be after another game or it could be after one more. Depends on what the feeling is. Oh, this is the first game, like the first time you've done it? Yeah, this is the first game ever today.
Have you shot it yet, Jeff?
Nope, I gotta take care of my kid.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you now.
Left behind the headstone there.
Okay, I got you covered. Got him. Hit.
Oh,
Oh, he's shooting that little hole.
I'm fucking hit! Enough!
Woo! Got him. Is that game over?